With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here question is given from the following bond enthalpies. Here hydrogen bond energy is given 431.37 kilojoule per mole. Her carbon double bond bond energy is given 606.10 kilojoule per mole. Here carbon single bond bond energy is given 336.49 kilojoule per mole. Here carbon hydrogen bond energy is given 410.5 kilojoule per mole. Enthalpy for the reaction ethene react with H2 gives out ethane. Okay, will be here ethane react with HH. For the according to the concept for the reaction, delta H of reaction equal to bond energy of reactants minus bond energy of products. Okay, in the reactants there are two terms, ethene and hydrogen. So we can write here there are four CH bond, here four bond energy of carbon hydrogen plus one bond energy of carbon double bond carbon plus bond energy of hydrogen single bond hydrogen minus 6 bond energy of carbon hydrogen minus bond energy of carbon single bond carbon. Okay, so we can say that write that bond energy of carbon double bond carbon plus bond energy of hydrogen single bond hydrogen minus 2, it will subtract from there, minus 2 bond energy of carbon single bond hydrogen minus bond energy of carbon single bond carbon. We put the value of all terms here. Term is given bond energy of carbon double bond carbon, value is 606.10 plus bond energy of hydrogen single bond hydrogen, here 431.37 minus 2 into bond energy of carbon hydrogen here 410.5 plus minus bond energy of carbon single bond carbon is 336.49. Okay, we calculate this value will be minus 120.0. Okay, so answer will be B, option B. Okay, here answer is option B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.